If you aren't happy with your relationship or your dating life, then it's time to change. Not just change for a few days, a few weeks, or a few months. I'm talking about creating lasting change, and it's completely achievable. Here are the 4 steps that will help you attract the partner, the relationship that you have always wanted. You aren't happy with where you are because you have accepted a certain treatment, people, or even the way you treat yourself. You tolerate the things that you don't like and then feel not satisfied with your life, your situation, your dating life. The first step in creating the change that lasts is to raise your standard. From now on, you will no longer accept the way your partner disrespectfully treats you or how men lead you on, ghost you, and they don't keep their words. So what does it mean? This means you will let your partner know and say that you don't like his behavior. Of course, don't say it with anger. Say it with respect and firm in your voice. If you're single and the guy keeps rescheduling the date or cancel it without notice, then let him know how his behavior makes you feel. After letting him know, if he changes his behavior, then you can continue talking to him. However, if he doesn't, then move on. You're no longer being a doll or a doormat for men. You will lead your life instead of letting men lead yours. When you raise your standard, you're raising the quality of your life, your relationship, your network, your feelings, and your self-esteem. You teach and show people how you want to be treated by raising the bar, by saying no to what you don't want and saying yes to what you aspire to becoming and having. Whatever we do or don't do is because of our belief system. For example, you don't date players because you believe that players aren't reliable to be in a relationship with. Or you choose to date older men because you believe that with age and years of experience, they are better to be in a relationship with. These are just examples. What I want to say here is that what you choose to do, to pursue, or refuse to do is purely based on your belief system. To make a change in your love life, you ought to do things differently than what you did in the past, which requires you to change your belief system. Your belief system hasn't served you well because you have limiting beliefs, which hold you back from living the best love life that you have always dreamed of. Have you ever had these thoughts in mind? Wow, he's too good looking. He would never talk to a girl like me. Or I would never have such a relationship like Emily's. She's so lucky to have met her husband. What do these beliefs have in common? They all tell you that you aren't worthy of having the best relationship. That's why, ladies, you haven't taken massive actions to improve your love life. You're unconsciously or consciously saying to yourself that you don't deserve a good-looking partner or your relationship will never be perfect like others. So no more, ladies. It's time to detect all of the negative, limiting beliefs you have and erase them all for good. These beliefs aren't true and they aren't yours either. Other hurtful, sad, depressed people have injected their negative, limiting beliefs into your brain system. So you would become depressed and sad like them. They want company. So no more letting other people's negative, limiting beliefs limit you from your future amazing love life. After removing limiting beliefs, it's time to install new empowering beliefs into your brain system so you can take new life-changing action that could dramatically change your love life. Some empowering beliefs that you can adopt are: other women have successfully met their dream partner. They can do it, so I can do it too. I am worthy of having the best partner and the best relationship. I believe that I will eventually meet that dream dream partner for me. As you can see, these beliefs are empowering and encouraging. They push you to take action that will actually improve your love life. You will no longer feel jealous when your friends are happy in their own relationships because you know that you will create one for yourself. You will not feel insecure when meeting a guy who is too good to be true because you know that you've been putting the work on yourself, improving yourself, so you deserve the best. The guy who will be in a relationship with you is surely so lucky to have met you, as well as you're so lucky to have met him. When your mind is full of empowering beliefs, there's literally nothing that you can't achieve or accomplish. Your future amazing love life is guaranteed. The last but very important step to help you change your current situation and get the love life you want is to change your strategy. A strategy is an action plan that will help you get the result you want. Specifically, we are talking about your love life here. The strategy you did in the past wasn't working for you, or you may not even have a strategy at all. Now is the time to get serious and help you get the result that you're after. Any success or achievements are the results of the right strategies. I never believe in the notion of overnight success. What seems overnight success for you is actually a progress of work and strategy that person has to do behind the scene that no one knows except themselves or people around them. My happy marriage starts with me making the right decision of who I want to commit to. Before meeting my partner, I had ongoing failures with men and dating, but I got up and learned from my mistakes. I re-edited my strategy until it worked. No strategy in doing what you do is like you wishing, hoping that everything will turn out the way you want. This is definitely not the best strategy to get what you want. So learn from people who are ahead of you and who already have the results that you're after. Adopt their strategy. Learn from women who have successfully met their dream partner, who have successfully built such an amazing relationships for themselves. Ask them their strategy and implement what they share. Study their strategies and do what makes sense to you. Be a student, don't be a follower. This is how you will get your dream love life with the least amount of time and heartbreak compared to if you were to figure things out on your own. Learn from success from the master, because that was exactly what I did to be where I'm at today, and it's my mission to help you and women all around the world to build their own dream love lives. I succeed in building my own, so you definitely can and will succeed too. I hope this video adds value to your love life. For more future videos like this, then don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to my channel, and turn the bell notification on so you will be notified when my next video is out. Thank you so much for your attention. I hope you have a great day, a happy new year, and I will see you in my next video very soon.